Hello, I'm Audrey Deane from Safer Food Scores. I've been working in the food industry for over 25 years and I advise food businesses on how to produce food in a safe, clean and hygienic way. A hot, busy kitchen is the perfect environment for harmful bacteria and viruses to spread. This is why good hygienic practice is absolutely key. Always wash your hands when you enter the food room, and then when you're actually at work, washing hands regularly between preparation tasks is also important, but even more crucial when you're about to prepare ready-to-eat foods. When you're working in your kitchens, always remember to use your chef's cloth for the right purpose. Do not use them to wipe down surfaces or to handle food. Carefully wash your food in the correct sink. This is particularly important for ready-to-eat food like fruit and salad. These foods won't be cooked and therefore they could become contaminated. Once you've prepared your foods, you should place them in a clean, covered container, and if you're not going to be using them straight away, place them back in the fridge. Using a good, strong cling film like Wrapmaster Foodservice film is an excellent way to protect your foods from contamination. It's best practice to have separate areas in your kitchen for producing different types of foods, particularly those that are raw and those that are ready to eat. This also goes for the equipment that you use in these areas. For example, any boards or knives that you may use, cling film, blue gloves or sanitizer spray. It's a good idea to keep all of these separate in their areas as well to reduce any cross-contamination risk. Passing equipment around within your kitchen can increase the risk of spreading harmful bacteria and viruses from one part to the other. Having separate areas and having separate equipment will prevent this from becoming an issue. I recommend using Wrapmaster, as one of these can be placed in each of your separate areas. There are also handy stickers within the unit, and this can be used to ensure that you label your products correctly. This all helps to reduce that cross-contamination risk in your kitchen.